Hello there. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a crochet hook case. In this case, it is possible to use elastic, and you can fold it in 4 parts, and you can put all the needles you have and bigger things too in the back pockets. Here. We're going to need 2 pieces of fabric of 50 by 30 centimeters. I used 2 placemats I had here in my home, and I folded in the bottom part to match the size of my hooks, or almost the things I want to keep in there, and it was about 10 centimeters. You can also sew the elastic inside the fabric, but I did it with small pieces, so I cut it off, and I decided to do with outside elastic. And then I start to sew the pockets with about 1 inch more or less to fit less or much more hooks in the case, and the rest was this, with the little pockets, and here to fit my bigger hooks. I made for I think about 14 needles, 14 hooks. Here for the metal ones, they stay together, and here for the other things. You can also put things bigger in the back pockets, and you can fold it to protect from falling. And that's it. I hope you like it.